Hi, mathematicians. For this graphing activity, you are going to have a bunch of different graphs and questions to choose from, all having to do with transportation. So you get to pick whichever one you want, and there's different things that you have to do for different ones. For instance, this first one says all types of transportation, and it has a bar graph on it with the different kinds of cars or vehicles that are seen on the road. Then there's a number of questions that we have to answer down below, including fill in the table below with what fraction of the vehicles were each type. So I would have to know first how many vehicles I had altogether to put in my denominator, and then I would have to count each of the different types of vehicles. Then I have different questions at the bottom, like 8 of the cars you saw were red. What fraction of cars did you see was red? For another activity in here, it looks like I have a road map. There's a whole map of the country. It says from the mountains to the prairies to the oceans with white foam, you're heading on a USA road trip that you'll never forget. Let's start the fun by mapping out where you'll head and how you'll pass the time. Get ready because it's going to be a wildly mathematical ride. So at the bottom, it has you using different colors for different parts of the trips. So you have, it's leg 1 pink, leg 2 red. We call them legs because we add them together. It's just what, this portion is just called a leg. So it says for pink, leg 1, your road trip starts on the west coast in the southwest corner of California. From there, you head northeast for a visit to the northwest corner of Wyoming. So you'll have to draw from down here in California a line that travels all the way to Wyoming. And you'll continue following these directions down here to create your entire road trip. Another one here, let's see, there's license plates. These people have different license plates. You're trying to figure out what they say. There's some hotel math here. Looks like we're looking at different costs of hotels. There's distances, we're rounding, and we're calculating total time. So there's lots of different things here for you to choose from. Take any of these that you wish and work on them. Once you have them solved, you can turn them into your turn-in tray in your classroom. Have fun, mathematicians.